she's doing any days to do, girl. She got you tapping on the board show. Hey, dog, check this out, man. The Southern girls do it in the dirty South, yeah. She'll have you on the knee, can I marry you? Hey, tonight is bottoms up. Throw it on down, rock this quiet little country town to get up. Drop a tailgate on your truck.
Redneck.
Well, the boys around here don't listen to the Beatles run oboe, safest of the jukebox needle at the honky-tonk, where they boot stomp all night. What?
That's right.
Yeah, what they call work, dig it in the dirt, gotta get it in the ground before the rain come down to get paid, to get the girl in your four-wheel drive.
Your boy can survive.
Yeah, the boys round here drinking that ice cold beer, talking about girls, talking about trucks, running them red dirt roads out kicking up dust. The boys round here sending up a prayer to the man upstairs. Backwoods legit, don't take no shit. Shoot a bag, shoot a bag, shoot a bag of spit. I have red, 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 red. Well, the boys around here, they're keeping it country. Ain't a damn one knows how to do the Dougie.
You don't do the Dougie?
No, not in Kentucky. But these girls around here, yep, they still love me. Yeah, the girls around here, they all deserve a whistle. Shaking that sugar sweet as Dixie Crystal, like that yawing southern drawl. And just can't help because they just keep falling for the boys round here, drinking that ice cold beer. Talk about girls, talk about trucks, running them red dirt roads out kicking up dust. Boys round here sending up a prayer to the man upstairs. Backwoods legit, don't take no shit. Shoot a bag, shoot a bag, shoot a bag of spit.
Let's ride through the countryside. Ooh, let's ride down to the riverside.
Hey now girl, hop inside. Me and you gonna take a little ride to the river. Let's ride.
That's right.
Lay a blanket on the ground. Guessing in the crickets is the only sound. We out of town. Have you ever got down with us? And do you want to get down with us? Girl, you gotta get down with the boys round here, drinking that ice cold beer. Talking about girls, talking about trucks, running them red dirt roads out kicking up dust. The boys round here sending up a prayer to the man upstairs. Backwoods legit, don't take no shit. Shoot a bag, shoot a bag, shoot a bag of spit.
Let's ride. Let's ride.
I'm one of them boys round here.
Let's ride. Let's ride.
All I'm thinking about is you and me, how we'll be.
Let's ride.
So come on, girl, hop inside. Me and you gonna take a little ride.
Let's ride.
Lay a blanket on the ground. Guessing in the crickets is the only sound. We out of town.
Let's ride. Let's ride.
Girl, you gotta get down with us.
Let's ride.
Come on, through the countryside,
Let's ride.
down to the riverside.
Marcie. All right, buddy. Hang on, I'll let you know just a second. Just a second, I'll let you know. Down 2, down 1. Who was it?
Change the weather, start a little storm, make a little rain. But I'm gonna do you one better, hide the sun until you gray. I'm a tornado, looking for a soul to take. You're gonna see me coming by the selfish things that you did. I'm gonna leave you guessing how this funnel is gonna hit. I'm a tornado, looking for a man to break. Yeah, I'm gonna lift this house, spin it all around, toss it in the air and put it in the ground. Make sure you're never found. Thought you'd take a swing, try another girl, try another night. But it's the thing that brings my force of nature back to life. I'm a tornado, more disturbed than a lead pipe. Hey, I'm gonna lift this house, spin it all around, toss it in the air and put it in the ground. Oh, I'm gonna lift this house, spin it all around, toss it in the air and put it in the ground. Make sure you're never found. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm gonna lift this house, spin it all around, toss it in the air and put it in the ground. Yeah, I'm gonna lift this house, spin it all around, toss it in the air and put it in the ground. Make sure you're never found. The winds are getting stronger and the sky is falling through. And you ain't got much longer till the rain drips off the roof. I'm a tornado, and I'm coming after you.
Jerry.